In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Microsoft Teams notifications. Having your notifications set up properly in Teams is really important so you don't miss chat messages, meeting invites, or updates from your team. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click step by step so you can quickly enable your notifications and make sure everything is working the way you expect. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and sign in if you're not already. Once you're on the main Teams screen, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. It might be near your profile picture or your initials. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This is where many of the app-wide options are kept, including the settings we need. After you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where you can control how Teams behaves, including sounds, notifications, appearance, and more. Click on Settings to open the Settings panel or window. Inside the Settings area, you'll see a list of sections on the left-hand side. One of these will be called Notifications and Activity, or something very similar depending on your version of Teams. This section is dedicated to all of your alert and notification preferences. Click on Notifications and Activity to open those options. Now you'll see various notification controls, usually including toggles and drop-downs. Look for the main notification toggle or switch that enables notifications for Teams. It might be labeled simply as Notifications On or Off. Click the toggle to turn it on. When it's enabled, it typically changes color or moves to the opposite side, indicating that notifications are now active. Once that toggle is on, Teams will start sending you alerts based on these settings. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly scan the other options on the same page. You can usually fine-tune things like whether you get notifications for mentions, replies, reactions, or meetings. Adjust these according to how often you want to be notified, but the key step is that main toggle being turned on. When you're finished, you can simply close the settings panel. Your changes are saved automatically. That's all you need to do to turn on Microsoft Teams notifications and make sure you're kept up to date with what's happening in your workspace.